Hey everyone, welcome back to another keto noodle video on keto Asian flavors. In today's video, I will share 3 ways to make flat noodles, an easy way to make udon noodles, and 2 updated versions of the riceless protein noodle recipe. Many of you were wondering if a pastry bag and a flat tip can be used to make flat noodles or fettuccine, which I've already tried months ago. So instead of piping the mixture into a tray filled with a calcium bath, I pipe the mixture directly onto a baking tray and then slowly pour the calcium bath onto the mixture. I've also tried piping the mixture into the calcium bath, but once the mixture was in contact with the calcium bath, it started to turn round and it was a complete fail. My favorite way to make riceless protein noodles is with egg white powder. If you're in Canada, I do have an exclusive promo code for $10 off from Ken Eggs. The code is good for all 3 egg white powders: egg white, whole egg, and egg yolk powder. Use code LN10 at checkout. Start on low speed with 3 cups of filtered water in the blender, followed by the egg white powder, sea salt, sand and gum, and sodium alginate. Remember to add the sodium alginate last after all the other ingredients are well mixed together. Cover and secure with a lid and increase the speed to high. Blend for 3 minutes. It will thicken and then thin out as the temperature rises. For full details, tips, and instructions on how to soften these noodles, please refer to these 3 videos. The ingredients needed to soften these noodles are hot tap water, lemon juice or lime juice, and baking soda. Links to the 3 videos will be provided in the description box. Start on low speed with 3 cups of filtered water in the blender, followed by 2 hard-boiled egg whites, sea salt, sand and gum, and sodium alginate. Follow the same instructions as the other noodle recipes. This is a great version for anyone who cannot easily find egg powders, but I must warn you, if you are sensitive to smell, you will smell the hard-boiled eggs. To prepare the calcium bath, add 1 tablespoon of calcium chloride or calcium lactate to 7 cups of water. Mix well until dissolved. I would also like to share that flattening the tip of a bottle also does not work to make flat noodles. It will still result in round noodles. To make the udon noodles, just simply cut the tip for a wider hole. Or use an empty condiment bottle like a ketchup bottle. Remember to remove the air bubbles before forming the noodles. Method 1 and Method 2 for making flat noodles will require a wider nozzle. After extruding, let it sit in the calcium bath for about 30 seconds to a minute. Allow the gel walls to form, but do not let the mixture set inside. Remove the noodles from the bath and use a pair of scissors to cut off both ends. Use your fingers to squeeze out the mixture and flatten the noodles. This is an easy method for 1 serving if you're making the noodles for yourself. It does take some time. Method 2 follows almost the same steps, but includes a pasta roller attachment and a stand mixer. After cutting both ends open, feed it through the pasta roller to help squeeze out the mixture and flatten the noodle. This is a bit faster than doing it by hand, but it can get messy. Remember to have a bowl ready to catch the excess. For the third method, pour the mixture onto a baking tray, spread it out thinly as you can, and then pour the calcium bath onto the mixture. This will require more time, counter space, and patience to let it completely set. Once set, use a knife to cut it into strips. You can also use these sheets to make keto shrimp rolls. I will have a recipe for that too, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you would like to support me on Patreon, I will include the link in the description box. Please like, leave me a comment, share, and subscribe to Keto Asian Flavors for more innovative recipes like these. See you again very soon.